Hi guys, it's Kendall, and this week's name on Kinder Marshall is Dogs. So I'm going to show you guys my aunt's dog and give you some fun facts about him. So let's go. The first fact about my aunt's dog is that he sniffs. He will sniff you like crazy. The second thing is that my aunt's dog, he will bite you literally. Like if he's playing with his toys or if he's eating, well, if you pet him while he's doing those two things, he will bite you. He bit me yesterday. My whole entire hand yesterday. So be careful around my aunt's dog. Number 3 is that he will scratch on the floor with his paws for some reason, and we just he will scratch his paws on the floor, and it's really weird. He's doing it right now. Look. Well, he was doing it right now, but let's go. Number 4 is that Morel hides a lot. He will hide under my aunt's bed. He will hide under this table. He will just hide a lot. It's really weird. He will just hide. The 5th and final fact about him.
I think he was on 3.
The 5th and final fact about him is that he will jump on this. He will jump on it. He will just whenever he's on the couch, he will just jump, and then he will just sit here, and it's really weird. Now I'm going to show you guys my aunt's dog. Here he is. Here is Morel. He is a good little doggy. Here he is. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And for a shout out in next week, comment down below which pet do you prefer, dogs or cats? So, I'll see you guys next week. Bye! My cousin was literally just... He messed up part of my video. It's okay. If you hear him talking, ignore it. Bye!